In the midst of dense forests, there is a small creature diligently working. Each branch is carried back, each piece of wood is stacked, gradually forming a magnificent structure not made by human hands. And the animal behind it all, none other than the beaver, a small rodent that possesses an extraordinary power to restore nature. When night falls in the silence of the forest, the faint crack sounds echo. That's when the beavers begin their work shift. No lights, no engines, only sharp incisors, webbed feet, and an extraordinary instinct for survival. They cut down trees, drag branches, and pile up mud step by step, constructing structures that leave scientists in awe. Sturdy dams deep in the forest, where small streams are transformed into vast, wide lakes. And the miracle lies in this. These structures are not built just for the beavers. Their dams hold water, slow down strong currents, and create ponds and wetlands, places where birds, fish, frogs, insects, and hundreds of other species find a safe home. Here, life multiplies and renews itself, from the tiniest organisms to the surrounding forest. However, there's a little-known truth. If beavers were to disappear, the entire balance of this ecosystem would collapse like a domino effect. The once clear streams would dry up, the soil would lose moisture, and trees would wither. The creatures that relied on the wetlands created by beavers would gradually vanish too, all because the beaver's presence was gone. Hard to believe, isn't it? A rodent weighing less than 30 kilograms can reshape the hydrological map of an entire forest. And if it disappears, it could bring the downfall of countless other species. In the animal kingdom, few creatures can alter their environment as dramatically as the beaver. They are nature's master planners, living half in water and half on land, dedicating most of their lives to one mission: building. Imagine standing in a North American forest beside a small murmuring stream. When beavers arrive, they don't just stop for a drink. No, they observe the flow, assess the terrain, and then get to work. With incisors sharp as steel blades, beavers cut down willow, poplar, and birch trees, trunks many times their body size. They drag each branch to the stream, binding them with mud, stones, and grass, forming a solid wall, the legendary dam. Behind the dam, the water rises, forming a calm and quiet lake. And right in the middle of that lake, the beaver builds its home, called a lodge. This house is designed so ingeniously that humans cannot help but admire it. With an underwater entrance to avoid predators like wolves and bears, separate rooms for eating, sleeping, and raising young, and always kept dry thanks to a tightly sealed mud layer. A true masterpiece of survival engineering. However, the beaver does not realize that these structures unintentionally create an entirely new ecosystem. Water from the lake seeps into the soil, nourishing the trees. Fish and frogs find shelter. Migratory birds stop to rest. Insects multiply. And as the water flows downstream, it carries nutrients that enrich the entire forest below. Scientists call this the Beaver Effect, one of the most remarkable ecological phenomena in the world. Simply by building dams, beavers regulate water flow, prevent floods, reduce erosion, and even help purify the water thanks to the mud and vegetation surrounding the lake. In other words, a small family of beavers can achieve what an expensive man-made project worth millions of dollars could do. Moreover, the life of a beaver is a testament to unity and perseverance. They work in teams, constantly repairing their dams, teaching their young how to swim, how to gnaw trees, and how to survive in the harsh wilderness. Each night when the forest falls asleep, the beavers continue their work, quietly and patiently, leaving behind an unforgettable mark. Yet there was once a time when peaceful forests no longer heard the sound of beavers splashing in the water. In the 17th and 18th centuries, humans hunted beavers to near extinction. Their fur, thick, shiny, and waterproof, was considered soft gold in the European fashion industry. Every hat and coat made from beaver fur became a symbol of power, but behind that glamorous image was nature's terrible price. When the beavers disappeared, nature also lost its greatest architect. The streams that were once full of water became barren and dry. The soil could no longer retain moisture, causing the forest to wither, the grass to fade, and the animals to migrate away. Without the beaver dams to hold the water, the rainy season brought flash floods while the dry season turned the land into cracked earth. Fish died, frogs vanished, and birds lost their shelters. Within just a few decades, the once fertile lands turned into deserts, where life was slowly eroded by the absence of a small rodent. Ecologists call this the beaver disappearance effect, a silent disaster with devastating consequences. When humans realized their mistake, nature had already paid too high a price. But fortunately, we woke up in time. Thanks to conservation programs, beavers were reintroduced into the wild. And then, the miracle happened again. Wherever beavers returned, water returned, trees grew back, and birds came home. In just a few years, the dead lands were reborn into oases full of life. We realized that nature does not need humans to save it. It only needs humans to stop destroying it. The story of the beaver is not just a lesson about a small animal, but also a warning from nature about the balance of all living things. They teach us that every creature has its own role in the circle of life. Even though they weigh only a few dozen kilograms, beavers can do what humanity can only admire. And if one day Earth loses the sound of beavers splashing their tails in the water, perhaps that will be the day humans finally understand that losing one species means losing a part of this planet's soul. If you love nature as much as I do, please like, share, and subscribe to discover more of nature's amazing stories.